This is Tall Paul and Lacey up here by Grayson Highlands. We're getting ready to go out to do a little backpacking. Starting out here at the Elk Garden trailhead, which is just west of Grayson Highlands. And just getting started about 7:20 p.m. Lacey hasn't been out for a while. She's ready to go. Huh? All right, tonight's plan, since we're getting such a late start, is to head up toward Thomas Knob Shelter, like this. Probably see some ponies along the way. Right now, it's just cattle. What do you think, Lacey? Lots of smells. I think it's about 3.8 miles, 4 miles from the Elk Garden trailhead up to Thomas Knob. And I'm pretty much out of shape, so not that this is hurting too bad, but I'm enjoying this flat part, let's say that. The squirrels sure wake up early, don't they, Lacey? So brave. All right, there's camp for the night. Hi, Lacey. Hi. My tarp over there. You ornery cuss. He's so wet. Yeah. You're still happy though? It's been a rainy day. Uh-oh. I feel like this is a you shall not pass situation, Lacey. Hi. You just want to be friends, huh? Huh? Yeah, well, she's not so sure about things. At last our car, Lacey. Hallelujah. Lacey stepped in that. Oh, honey baby. You got crap on your feet too. All right, Lacey, we made it back to the car. Ooh. Just gotta get past these guys. Don't step in the poop again. Last time after she stepped in your poop, she stepped in another one after I washed her feet. Ah! Okay. That was an epic journey. Rained all day. You guys have a good one, okay?